Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for tuning into Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate through your relationship issues. It is my pleasure to bring to you a topic that is very dear to me because it comes across all the time in most of my coaching sessions. And it's basically the dangers of becoming friends after a breakup. So many times, people, when they want to break up, they want to break up in a way that doesn't cause that much damage. So it's like more or less the excuses could be, I'm really not ready, but I really want you as my friend. I really like you. I think it's very, we get along, but I just don't want to commit and what have you. And obviously these things are normal and it's okay if both parties accept it. So what happens when all of a sudden you are told, guess what? I just want to be your friend. And you start saying to yourself, well, being his friend or her friend is better than not being in his life. Let's think about that just a few minutes. Okay? So once you decide to become their friend, there's a couple of issues that we have to discuss. One of them, you risk losing the emotional intimacy that existed in the relationship. You can't recapture that as a friend. Basically, it's the fact of just, having that certain catering that we give to each other when we are boyfriends, girlfriends, partners, whatever. It's very, very important to have that personal, unique language between each other. When we become friends, we sort of open ourselves to just listening and being part of basically the gang, the friends, and that emotional intimacy starts dissipating. And it's very difficult to recapture that once it's done. Another very, very big danger, in my opinion, becoming friends, is basically the risk of evolving the friendship into a friends with benefit. So all of a sudden, you say to yourself, okay, we're friends, we're getting along fine, we go to a club, we have some drinks, and you have sex. And it happens over and over again. But they no longer, later on, have to do anything for you. You're there. Whether you're the man or the woman. I mean, they no longer feel that emotional attachment. They don't feel that need to say, we're an item, we're unique. No, it's just somebody that we can have our intimate life, but we don't have to invest emotionally. It's a very, very tricky place to be in. And finally, one of the risks that I see is removing the challenge to have your ex want to get back with you. Normally when we break up, if we play our cards right and we give them the amount of distance that they need, most of the times there is an opportunity, there's a window of space there that you can recapture the attention. And if you are in their face all the time, if you are available, if you are just responding immediately, if you are friends with benefits, that challenge is gone. And as human beings, we love challenges, both men and women. We love that which we don't have. So I strongly suggest rethinking before you enter into this very delicate type of friendship. A friendship with an ex is very difficult if it's not something that both of you agree on. And there really cannot have that invisible string of love involved because then it becomes painful. Then it is fueled by expectations. I'm going to try to get them back. They're going to find that they really love me. Not necessarily. I would love for you to book a session with me. Let's discuss the best way of keeping the communication open without really entering into the friend zone. I think that you will probably benefit tremendous from it. I know that I have coached many, many, many couples that I find that when they implement different strategies, once again, keeping the communication open, but setting the boundaries, it's a much easier feat to get your ex back. I look forward for having a session with you so that we together can explore all the reasons why you deserve to have certain amount of communications at the appropriate time without falling into becoming a friend, which is a little bit trickier to make it into a relationship again than if we just do a little bit of push and pull. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and put your comments below. I love to read each and every one of them. I think it's so important. This way, we together can create different strategies, and I am there to help you when your booking comes around. Until next time, this is Coach Abby. Thank you.